Let's dive straight into the video. First things first, open up your Google Chrome browser. To export your passwords, click on the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner and select Settings. Now select Autofill and Passwords in the left pane. Next, click on Password Manager to access all the passwords stored in the Chrome browser. Then, click on the three-dot menu again and select Export Passwords. In the pop-up, choose Export Passwords and enter your PC password to export the file. Now, select a location on your computer, enter a name for the file, and it will be saved in CSV format. Now, let's proceed to import your passwords into your preferred browser. I will be using the Brave browser, but the process is quite similar across most browsers. Click on the hamburger icon in the upper right corner of the Brave browser and select the Settings option. On the left pane, choose Autofill and Passwords, and then select Password Manager. Next, click on the three-dot menu once again and select Import Passwords. In the pop-up window, click on the Select File option. Locate the CSV file that we exported from Chrome, select the file, and click on Open. That's it! Your passwords are now being imported and synced successfully into your new browser. Well, that wraps up this video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments. Until next time.